Next, we travel deep into France to visit one of Europe's most impressive model aircraft shows. After a long, hot journey across France, we finally reach our destination, La Ferte Scale. We climb into the surrounding hills to reach the airfield. As every year, many hundreds of spectators visit the show to admire the models and to enjoy the flying. On a good clear day, Paris can be seen in the distance. Above us, we have the flight path into Charles de Gaulle Airport, but hopefully the models won't be flying that high. This is one of the aircraft many have come to see, the giant Hercules flown by Michael Schepens. Powered by four 38cc Titan engines turning 20x8 propellers, Michael flew the model in a very scale-like manner, which impressed all who watched. Richard Rawl from Practical Models flew his PBY Catalina. Powered by two 22cc Zenoa engines, it lifts off the ground with ease. Simon Rodway, editor of Radio Control Model World, talks to Richard about his model.
The whole model is Dorsa, ply.
Have we got any foam in it?
There's some foam wing ribs, foam card wing ribs we used. I remembered when I was repairing it. Out, sort of up to the engine nacelles, I've used foam card.
You've got bomb drop on this as
yes.
Well. How do you drop those? Do you drop them in pairs?
Yep. What we've got is a separate transmitter. I fly the aeroplane, and then we have a secondary pilot for bombs, landing lights, navigation lights. Bombs are run so that we've got it on the normal elevator and aileron stick. When you push the stick in the down position, you drop one set, left and right, and then you go, if you push the stick to the left, you lose another pair, push it to the right, and you lose another pair. So we've got good control over where we want to drop them.
A wheel collapsed on landing, but nothing was damaged. Andreas Luthi flew his Booker Jungmeister, which is powered by a King 140cc engine. This model was built 12 years ago and weighs in at 35 kilograms with a wingspan of 3 meters. After 12 years of flying, the Jungmeister is still going strong and is fully aerobatic, as befits a model of the plane that trained German pilots for the Battle of Britain. Ian Turney White flew his Sopwith tabloid. Powered by a 200cc King engine, it's flown in a very realistic manner. Richard Crabb from England has brought along his Black Widow P61. Powered by two 38cc Zenoa engines, it flies with ease. Here is Richard to explain more.
This features an unusual control system, no ailerons. These are little more than trim tabs. Spoilerons is the main control surface. They come out like that, the other one stays in. This plane was a night fighter, could outmaneuver any Allied fighter, or indeed Japanese fighter at the time. It was a huge plane, 66 foot, weighed 32,000 pounds, I think.
This is a Super Constellation. It's powered by 4 Super Tiger 3000 engines. After a weekend of superb models, brilliant flying, and for one of our video crew, a little too much fine French wine, we have to leave this wonderful place. But we couldn't go without just a short look at some of the many aircraft that appeared. Okay, that's it. Off to the next destination.